Afternoon to all of you children. In today's session, we'll start with the class test. Then we'll move on to the worksheet 19, that is noun, singular, and plural. We have already learned about 2 rules, and in today's session, we'll be learning about the other 2 rules on singular and plural. How to change the singular into plural form. 2. So let's move on to a class test first. I'll be sending you the link in the chat box, so please do it. Okay. Children, did you get the link? Please do check your link. If you have got it, put a thumbs up for me. Yes. Those who did not get the link, within 1 or 2 minutes, I'll be sending you the link again. Yes. You can start doing it. Those who've joined late, you can send the information through the chat box if you haven't got it. Otherwise, I'll keep it unmuted so that you can. I've kept it unmuted, children. Those who haven't received the link, please do.
Can you read the question?
Yes, I'm waiting for all the others. 24 participants are there. Did 24 participants get the link here? Is there anyone still to join?
Parvana didn't got the link.
Who hasn't got the link?
Parvana.
Parvana. Okay, Parvana, wait, Parvana. I'll be sending it. Parvana, please, okay. Parvana, did you receive the link, Parvana? Parvana?
Yes, ma'am. I got.
Yes, okay then.
I got.
Okay, okay. Got it. Okay, so I'm going to mute you all. Let me read the question paper for you. Once I read the question paper, I'll be unmuting you all. Okay. So this is a question paper. So write your name, click onto the class, division, pick out the adjectives from the following sentences. So the question here is, Ravi has a fat dog. So you have to pick out the adjectives from the sentence. Fat dog Ravi. Okay, fat dog Ravi. So click on to the right options. You have to pick out the adjectives from the following sentences. Ali is a little girl. Ali is a little girl. So Ali, little girl. Mother makes delicious food. Mother makes delicious. Okay. I cannot find the blue notebook anywhere. I cannot find the blue notebook anywhere. So click on to the right option. The options are blue notebook find. And the last question is, throw the bad apples in the dustbin. Bad apples dustbin. Those who have finished, click on to the submit button. Okay, children. And I can view your marks here. I could view it here. Yes. Yes, class C started sending the responses. Yes. Aiden, Roju, Amaya, Pranav, Agnes, Rissa, Avantika, Namika, Parvana, Ariel. Yes, others also please start sending the responses. Only very few I've got. Arfin, Sara, Tia, Muhammad. Okay. Janita. Yes. Is there anybody else? Yes, I got the heaven. Why 4? Many of you have got 4 out of 5. You don't know color is adjectives. Okay, children. So I hope all of you have sent the responses. Now let's move on to yes. Okay. So let's move on to the lesson. Okay. So can we carry on with the lesson? I hope. Yes, Amaya, you have got 5 out of 5. Yes, congrats. Very good. Okay. I can see your marks. Yes, some of you are saying something. What do you want to tell me?
Ma'am, I didn't know the test is there. That's why I
What is it?
didn't know today test is there. That's why
Who's telling? I could not. Sorry, I could not understand what is.
Nihaniga tell she didn't know there's a test in today.
Oh, there's no test today. I've sent a message now. Yesterday early in the morning, I sent a message.
Yes.
Oh, you did not see the message? Yesterday early in the morning, as soon as, yes,
My mother.
before you woke up, I sent the message. Did not see it?
I said, ma'am.
Okay then. I'm going to start with the class.
Ma'am.
Oh, Adnan's Wahab's birthday. Happy birthday to you. Okay.
Tomorrow is her birthday.
Tomorrow is his birthday. But anyhow. Okay then. So let's move on to it. Yes. So I'm going to unmute you all.
Ma'am.
Yes. What happened? Okay, we'll start, children. So now let's move on to the worksheet 19, that is number. We have already started with number, that is singular and plural, the rules. We are learning about the rules, how to change the singular into plural form. Okay, so we have already learned about the 2 rules. The first rule is that adding of S to the singular form. Okay, adding of S to the singular form to change that into plural. The second rule is that if the words end in CH, SH, S, X, O, change the singular, we add ES to the singular form to change that into plural. So these 2 rules we have already learned it. When the words end in CH, we add ES to the words to change that into plural form. Now in today's class, we are going to learn about the other 2 rules. Okay, are you all ready? The first rule is that, all of you please listen. The two rules are the same here, but a little bit a slight difference. If the words end in Y, what we have to do is precede it by a consonant, preceded by a consonant. Consonant means we know that there are 26 letters in English alphabet. Okay, among that 21 letters are consonants and the other 5 letters are vowels. Okay, so in English alphabet we have 26 letters, and among that 21 letters are consonant and 5 letters are vowels. So here in this rule is that if the words ended by preceded by a consonant, what we have to do is change the Y into I and add ES to it. So IES. Okay, baby, babies. Is that clear? If the words end in Y preceded by a consonant, change the Y into I and add ES to it. The next rule is that if the words ended by preceded by a vowel, just add yes after the word. These are the two rules we are going to learn in today's class. Both the rule is that ending in Y. But the first rule I've told you, if it is preceded means if the letter before the Y is a consonant, what we have to do, change the Y into I and then add ES to it. If it is preceded by a vowel, what we have to do, just add yes to it. So let's move on to it. Okay, children. Yes, this is the rule. Okay, can you hear me, children? The nouns that end in a consonant followed by, but this is a little more, I'll tell you, if the words ended by, preceded by a consonant, what we have to do is change the Y into I and then add ES to it. Okay, now here are the examples. City. The word has ended with Y. It is preceded by a consonant T. So what we have to do, change the Y into I and then add ES to it. So it is cities. Okay, so it is cities. Similarly, country. The word has ended with Y, preceded by a consonant. What we have to do? What we have to do is preceded by a, change the Y into I and then add ES to it. Okay. So if the word end in Y preceded by a consonant, change the Y into I and then add ES to it. Okay. So let's move on to the next rule. If the word end in Y preceded by a vowel, what we have to do? Add yes to it. See here, if it is ending with Y but preceded by a vowel, what we have to do? Just add yes to it. Clear? The rule is that if it ends in Y preceded by E, that is vowel, just add yes to it. So these are the two rules we are going to learn in today's class. I hope it's clear to all of you. Okay. Have you all understood? Clear? Both the rules are simple. Both the rule is that ending in Y. But if it is preceded by a consonant, what we have to do? Change the Y into I and then add ES to it. If it is preceded by a vowel, what we have to do? Just add yes to the word. Clear? Okay. Are you all ready? So, baby. What we will do, children? Baby. Sorry. Baby. So here it is preceded by a consonant. So what we have to do, babies, B-A-B-I-E-S, babies. Change the Y into I and then add ES to it. If it is preceded, story, S-T-O-R-Y, story. It is also preceded by a consonant. So how do we write this? Stories, R-I-E-S. Boy. It is preceded by a vowel. So we have to just add yes to it. Okay, key. It is preceded by a vowel. So just add yes to it. Okay, so we have to remember the two rules. Clear? Is that clear to everyone? Okay. Now what are we going to do is, I wanted all of you to take your rough book. And unless we learn all the rules, we can't do exercises related to the topic. So we have come to the end of the workbook exercises. We are doing the last, we have the last chapter, that is singular and plural, but we have what worksheets connected to it. All here of the worksheet 19, 20, 21, 22, all is related with singular and plural. So we have reached the end. This is the last chapter. So I wanted, once we complete learning all the rules, then we'll start doing the exercises related to it. Okay, children? So we have finished with the 4 rules now. Okay, so let's write. Are you all ready? Are you all ready? Yes, we'll start. All of you, please do take your rough book. Take your pencils in your hand. Right there, singular, plural. Here you're going to self-evaluate. Why means it's a test paper like, okay? I'll be writing the questions for you. You have to change the singular into plural form, okay? I've already taught you certain rules. So you're going to write the answers here and we are going to self-evaluate it and you will put the marks and you will tell me how much mark did you get it. So I've already, okay? So the first word is party. The second word is story. S-T-O-R-Y, story. The third word is day. The fourth word is toy. The fifth word is baby. The sixth word is country. The seventh word is army. The eighth word is monkey. The ninth word is family. And the 10th word is fairy. So here are the 10 words for you. Look at these words and write the plural form of these words. All the words end in Y. So please do check whether it preceded by a vowel or a consonant. And then you do it. Do it fast, children. Unless you do it, how come? Are you writing? All of you writing? Take your rough books, all of you. It's a test paper. We have learned about 2 rules. So let me see, are you doing it? Only with practice we learn the rules. It's like mathematics. If you want to tell me something, let me unmute you all. What do you want to tell me?
And
Have-
when you show the board,
Ma'am, you can share the code.
Fourth one? Yes, fourth. Yes, yes.
board.
Show you the board. I'll show you the board. Yes, fourth word is toy. T-O-Y, toy. Fifth word is baby. Sixth word is country. C-O-U-N-T. You write only the answers. You don't write the question as well as the answers. You write the answers in your rough book. Party, the first one is. The second word is story. Third word is day. The fourth word is toy. Fifth word is baby. Sixth word is country. Seventh is army. Eighth word is monkey. Ninth word is family. And the 10th word is fairy. Okay? 10th word is fairy. So please do write it fast. Once you finish, I'll be writing the answers for you and you can self-evaluate yourself. Whether you have got 10 out of 10. Okay, if it's wrong, children, please do learn it. Finished? So let's try the answers. Have you all written the answers? Yes? Have you all finished, children? Have you all finished? So I'm going to write the answers.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Yes.
Yes,
Yes, write fast. Write only the answers. You don't write the question.
Mama, I didn't finish.
Write fast. Why you need such a lot of time? I'm waiting for you to finish it. Do finish it fast in your rough book. So, party. Here the word ends with Y and is preceded by a consonant. So what we have to do here? Parties. T-I-E-S. Okay. T-I-E-S. Parties. Yes.
parties.
Have you finished? If it's right, put a tick mark. This is also story and it is also preceded by a consonant. So it is the same way. Stories, R-I-E-S, stories. If it's right, put a tick mark. Day. It is preceded by a vowel. So what do? It is days. This is also preceded by a vowel. So what do? It is toys. This is preceded by a consonant. So it is babies, B-A-B-I-E-S, babies. This is country. It is also by a consonant. So it is C-O-U-N-T-R-I-E-S, countries. Similarly, army. It is consonant. So it is armies. It is monkeys. It is preceded by a vowel. So it is monkeys. Family. It is also, it is preceded by a consonant. So what do? Families. F-A-M-I-L-I-E-S. Families. This is also consonant. Consonant means be very careful. You have to add IES to it. Okay. Fairies. Okay. So if it's right, put a tick mark. And if it's wrong, put a wrong. See that you check your spellings. That's why I'm making you to write. Spellings are more important. And if you've got 10 out of 10, do grade your marks. Please do it. Okay. And I wanted all of you to show your book. Let me see. Yes, yes, Janita. Fine. What about the rest? Ah, yes, 10. Okay. Then the others. I can't see your marks, Avantika. Okay. Pranav Vishnu. Okay. Avantika and Anamika. Others, please do it. Yes. Yes, 10 out of 10. Very good, Aiden. Aiden Dias. Yes, 10 out of 10. Very good. Amaya, Rissa, Niharika, Suhana, Sarafina. What about Heaven? Heaven, where is your book? Unmute it, Mon. Heaven. What happened? Heaven? I'm not able to unmute it. Yes, I've unmuted you all now.
Yes.
Yes. No. Huh? What is that? Finish.
got full.
You got
Full.
full. Okay, very good. What about Heaven? Heaven is saying
Ma'am,
something. I
Suhana got
couldn't hear you.
full.
You got full marks, Heaven?
Full. Ma'am, Tika got
Full.
Ma'am, Arfin got full.
Okay, okay. Arfin also got full. Okay.
Ma'am,
Aiden
Suhana
also
got
full marks.
full. Ma'am, Tiva got full.
Yes, yes. Okay.
Ma'am, Suhana got full.
Full marks. Okay. So I hope you have understood. Okay, the rules which we have studied today, unless we do the what exercises, we should be thorough with the rules. Keep all your rules in your mind. When we do the exercises, keep the rules in your mind and we'll do the exercises. Okay, the notes will be sent to you. I hope you have completed all the exercises in adjectives. Adjectives, have all of you completed the topic? Okay, that is 17 and 18. Have all of you completed the workbook exercises? Yes. Okay then. So nouns, regarding the notes, I'll be sending you the notes. Okay. So I'll be sending only very little notes so that you can copy it down into your notebook. Okay, children. So we have come to the end of today's session. It's time for us to wind up today's session. Bye bye, children. Thank you all. Thank you, children.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye.
Thank you, children. Bye bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye,
Thank you,
children.
ma'am.
Bye.
Bye.